Hey guys, welcome back to VTech HQ. Today we're showing you another Scorpion system, this time on this Scirocco R. Now this is that 11-second one that we've done. It's finally now got rid of the stock exhaust system and it's got a catback to finish off the full Scorpion system now. So you only originally had a downpipe, now we've got a non-resonated Scorpion Scirocco R catback with twin 100mm polished tips. Today, have a listen. We're going to show you some of the sounds, how it sounds when you're booting it and when you're cruising it. Enjoy.